Hey guys, in this video, we will see the benefit of Golang and how exactly the concurrency is. So for that, we have written a simple basic program like we write in any another language. As you can see, we have a simple function here, calculate cube. This basically calculate the cube of whatever number we pass. We intentionally added a delay of a second. So let's say this function will take 1 second at least to execute. As you can see, we are calling this function through the for loop. This for loop will iterate 5 times. So 5 times it will calculate the cube. Also, we're recording time here. So, how much time it will take to execute all these 5 time calculate cube function. Okay, so let's run this program. As you can see, we are getting cubes, and the total time it has taken is 5.04 approximate seconds. Now, to show you the concurrency, the real power of Go, all I need to do is to make this function as a Go routine function. I need to add some setup. Okay, so all the setup has been done. We are running this function as a Go routine. Now let's run this program. As you can see, everything is sum up within a 1 second only. So here all these calls of these functions executed concurrently. That is why we have saved a lot of time and we have done a lot of things together. So that is the power of concurrency. I hope you understand this. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this Go language is becoming more interesting for you. Thank you.